Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to create a flow in Klaviyo, which has been integrated with Afflr affiliate marketing application for your affiliate program in your Shopify store. Let's assume you want to set up a process that triggers when a referral discount or code is modified. You'll want to notify the affiliates connected to your program via Afflr in your Shopify store by email. Once you've integrated your Klaviyo account with the Afflr affiliate marketing app, we'll dive into creating the flow. Start by heading to the Flows section on the left side of your Klaviyo dashboard. In the Flows section, click on the Build Your Own button on the left-hand side. Then click the same Build Your Own button at the top right of the page. A Create Flow pop-up will appear where you can name your flow. Let's name the flow Email and tag it as Afflr. Once you've named it, click the Create Flow button. You will be directed here into the flow page. Next, you'll see a trigger block. A trigger initiates an action when something occurs. While there are recommended triggers, let's navigate to the Your Metrics section on the right and select API section. Here you'll find various options. Since we want to send an email when a referral code changes, let's choose this as our trigger. Once selected, proceed to the next step. Now, let's add a profile filter to limit the flow to specific profiles. To add a profile filter, click on the Add button and then Add Profile Filter. Select a condition, such as properties about someone. Choose dimensions from custom properties like Afflr program name and set it to your desired dimension value. Enter discount as the value and click Save. Confirm your trigger selection and save your changes by clicking on the Confirm and Save button. Now move to the Actions panel on the left. We need to send an email, so drag and drop the email block into the flow. In the Setup Email section inside the email block, click to open a panel on the left where you can customize the email name, subject line, preview text, etc. Click Select Template to choose an email template. You'll find a variety of templates in Klaviyo. Select one by clicking the three arrows and then select the Use Template button. You can also preview it first if you'd like. Let's proceed by clicking Use Template button. You will be directed to the email editor. In the email editor, you can add various blocks like text or images by dragging and dropping them into the template. Customize as needed. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click Manage Template button on the top right-hand side and select the Save as Template option to save it. Give your template a name. After naming, click the Save button. Your template is now saved for future use. Click the three dots on the top right-hand side of the page and select Return to Flow. Now that the template is customized, close it. You'll see a pencil icon labeled Draft in the email block in the flow. Go ahead and change this to Live, and then click on the Update Status button at the top right-hand side of the page. Ensure the flow status is set to Live, and remember to hit the Save button. And that's it. All changes are now configured, and your flow is live. Anytime an Afflr discount code is updated, the affiliate will receive an email. That's how you utilize Klaviyo integrated with Afflr. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.